In this video, we'll show you how to set up, operate, and maintain your Alex 301 or 501 alcohol and extract meter. First, unpack the device and place it in a temperature-controlled environment. Connect the water and sample hoses to the correct ports on the back. Connect the waste container. Place the water hose in the larger wash flask. And the sample hose in the smaller one. Plug in the device and switch it on. Allow it to warm up at least 1 hour before use. Make sure the filling volume is 40 milliliters. If the volume is lower, the filling time can be adapted via menu, measurement settings, filling and rinsing time. Before starting your measurements, perform a water check using freshly degassed, ultra-pure water. This should be done daily. To degas the water, first boil it, using a microwave for example, then cover it and let it cool to room temperature. Confirm that the device is in standard mode. Press check, and then water check to start the program. If the cell is already filled, press edit to skip filling. If the water check fails, perform a water adjustment by selecting alcohol and density adjustment. For samples containing CO2, degassing is required before measurement. Fill 100 milliliters of the sample into the supplied Erlenmeyer flask. Shake and vent the flask, and then filter the sample using the supplied paper filter. For cloudy or dark samples, such as stout beer, Kieselguhr filtration is required before measurement. Perform the filtration following the supplied operating procedures. Remember to degas the sample before adding the filtration aid. Pour the filtered sample into the supplied beaker. Insert the sample hose. Select the product type. And press measure. If products are being measured during fermentation, activate fermentation monitor mode by pressing the button with the arrows. Results are viewable in the quick access menu under data. To keep your device in top condition, clean and rinse it regularly. Between measurement series, rinse the device to prevent buildup. Repeat as needed. Use ultra-pure water for beer or wine, and warm tap water for sticky samples like wort. At the end of the day, flush the device with a laboratory cleaning agent using the rinse program. Once a week, use the same program to rinse the device with diluted chlorine bleach or a chlorine-based cleaner, following the steps in the manual. Finish up by rinsing the device with degassed ultra-pure water using the rinse program again. Always leave the device filled with water when storing. Alex 301 and 501. Your go-to alcohol meters.